Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel with me, Zawad. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013. We'll show you guys how to remove steering wheel airbag. Now, this one is the sport package, but even if yours doesn't look like that, stay with us and we'll explain what needs to be done and how you need to remove it. Now, that procedure guys will work pretty much on almost any BMW even around that year, not just the 3 Series, but we'll be making the video for this one. So in the meantime we have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart, anything from interior work, body work, engine work, brakes, so please check out the channel, subscribe, and videos will keep coming in. Also, if you need help with anything, drop a comment, we'll try to make that video for you. The first step that we need to take is to disconnect your car battery at least 1 hour before you start working on the airbag. That way you minimize the risk for that thing exploding in your face, but there is always a risk, so if you're not qualified and certified, I would not recommend this job. This is just a demonstration of fun video guys, entertainment video. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Our battery has been disconnected for 1 hour so far, 1 hour, and we'll show you guys what we need to do. Now, for the sport package you have 2 springs holding the airbag on the inside. They run kind of like that. On the regular non-sport package you have 1 spring on one side only, and you can have the hole located at a different location depending on which kind of steering wheel. Some you have a hole like that here, you can see. First you don't notice it, but then it's a soft spot, and that soft spot is actually a cut where you can access it with a screwdriver. Now that hole could be on the bottom of the steering wheel too, depending which one you have. Ours, the sport package, we have 2 holes, 1 on each side. So what you need to do, flathead screwdriver like that guys, and all the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. Go ahead, place it like that, and you're going to feel 1 spring. When you feel the spring, you have to be gentle too, not to ruin anything inside. When you feel the spring, you need to push the screwdriver in towards the center of the steering wheel and push the airbag in a little bit, and then you pull the airbag out. Okay, so I'll push it in. Okay, you're not going to feel it the first time. One of the springs will always be hard to get to. I don't know why, but it always seems that way. Oh, almost got it and I missed it. So the plan is guys not to stop the video now. Okay. So the screwdriver will need to face up a little bit. Okay. And you pull it out. Now we need to do the same thing on this side. Okay, right here. So let me switch the camera to this position. Okay, you can see this is the hole. Okay, right there. So I'm going to place the screwdriver in the same angle, pointing. Okay, pointing up. Okay. I feel the spring pushing in, and it's not releasing yet. And if that doesn't work, push in the side that you removed first. Okay, so airbag is all the way in. Because if one side comes out, the other one might get stuck. So you can see now this one, okay, watch how easy it will come out. Okay, and now I'm going to do this one here, just very quick. Okay, and you can see it just came out like that guys. Okay, now the wires. Let us show you how to disconnect the wires. Okay, those are the wires right here. Now, it's very important how you disconnect them, otherwise you can damage it. This one right here needs to go up. Do not use screwdrivers because you can activate the airbag. Okay, so with a fingernail or a plastic panel remover tool, I'm going to pry this thing up. Okay, like that. Ideally, we'll need to come out on both sides, okay, and then pull the clip out. The same thing applies to this side right here. All the tools and parts that we use, guys, will be listed in the description of the video below. This is your airbag. When you're ready to install it, connect your wires, and all you have to do, align everything and push it straight in. Make sure you don't have any wires in the way, because if you do, you will damage something and it can damage your cork spring as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and see you guys next time.